A battle of the supper clubs is heating up in Wisconsin. Known for their iconic brandy old fashions and incredible food, Wisconsin supper clubs are a culinary tradition like no other, and these two are no exception.
It's all about the food, and it is all about fantastic.
In this video, two legendary supper clubs take center stage, Ishnala and The Del-Bar. Ishnala offers a breathtaking escape in the heart of a state park, where it feels like you're dining among the treetops. Meanwhile, The Del-Bar delivers a sleek, contemporary dining experience right in the bustling heart of Wisconsin Dells. Both promise unforgettable meals that will satisfy your taste buds.
Food coma, for sure.
We're here to help you decide which supper club is the perfect match for your next dining adventure. Join us for a taste of Wisconsin's best in this mouth-watering LoveNesters adventure. First up, we're headed to Ishnala. Just minutes from the Wisconsin Dells, this supper club is tucked away in the woods, surrounded by a state park, and renowned for its breathtaking views of Mirror Lake.
So this is the line at 3:20 on a Thursday in September.
While the check-in line can be quite long, there are plenty of ways to pass the time, including snapping some photos, browsing the Arrowhead gift shop, or trying your hand at one of the games.
Oh, you're so close. Oh, you got it!
At check-in, you will receive a pager, allowing you to enjoy some live music, explore the trails, or sip on a cocktail at one of the 4 bars overlooking the lake.
Wow, look at this view in here. This is incredible.
This is one of the reasons you come to Ishnala, the view.
So there are 4 different bars here that you can hang out at. Or the best part is you can go walk along the beach.
There's plenty of seating because no matter what you think your timing is, there is going to be a wait. Welcome back to LoveNesters. We are in Wisconsin Dells at the Ishnala Supper Club. Many rate this the #1 supper club in Wisconsin, so we're here to try it out.
It's our very first time here, and one of the things that it's known for is its ambiance, and it is just beautiful. It's a beautiful evening in September, and we're here on Mirror Lake. It's about an hour and 15-minute wait, even though we were here super early, but what a pretty place to wait it out.
A great place to wait. Thanks for being here.
Look at that. I mean, could it get any more gorgeous? Well, it was about an hour wait, and our pager has buzzed. So up we go to find our table. So they are known for their prime spears. That's what we're going to start with.
If you're from Wisconsin or if you're going to go to a supper club, this is a tradition. The cheap breadsticks and the fancy cheese spread. Cheese spread is fantastic.
This is the appetizer that they recommended for us. It was their most popular one. It is meat spears wrapped in asparagus, or asparagus is wrapped in meat. And then there are two different dipping sauces. We'll give this a try. Okay, that was like a horseradish. That is so yummy. That one's a little more garlicky. Very, very yummy.
If you love steak and you love horseradish, highly recommend this appetizer. Freshly made bread and a cinnamon. This is Wisconsin rice. Perfectly done. Wild rice is hard to cook and they did it perfect.
So we went with the chicken cordon bleu. It's absolutely fabulous. But one of the things we would encourage you to do, don't be afraid to just get one entree and split it. By the time, when you're at a supper club, by the time you have a drink and a salad and an appetizer and cheese and crackers and rolls, it just gets to be too much for us. So we like to get one and split it and then not leave feeling very uncomfortable.
We have our house-made chocolate mousse with whipped cream and chocolate chips on top, salted caramel vanilla crunch cake, peanut butter pie with chocolate filling, key lime pie on a graham cracker crust, and flourless death pie chocolate cake with chocolate mousse, fudge, and dark chocolate ganache.
We just got done with Ishnala Supper Club, one of Wisconsin's most famous supper clubs.
And we are stuffed. It was our first supper club experience, and I don't think it will be our last.
It was fantastic food, fantastic service, and fantastic music. The trifecta of a great evening.
Our recommendation is if you are coming, the sooner you can get here. We were here right before 3:30. We had a little over an hour wait. Our time here was about 2 hours.
3:30, that's pretty late.
I know, that
supper.
seems early.
Wow.
But we weren't eating until much later.
But it's a great experience. So just know this isn't going to be an hour in and out. It's going to be 2 to 3 hours. But again, the food and service was fantastic.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for being here.
Ishnala is a fabulous supper club and definitely worth your time. They are open from mid-April through September. Check their website for exact dates. Be aware that reservations are not accepted, so be prepared for a bit of a wait, but that is part of the experience. It's like you're in a treehouse with all kinds of beautiful views.
What's unique about the Del-Bar is, unlike Ishnala, they do take reservations. In fact, they are strongly encouraged. So we are going to go ahead and make a reservation at the earliest time that they offer. So, typical old people, we have the earliest reservation at the Del-Bar, and we're here 20 minutes before our reservation.
The Del-Bar is located on the Wisconsin Dells Parkway in the heart of Wisconsin Dells. It has been a family-run business since 1943. The Del-Bar is open year-round. They recommend reservations, and you'll find them right on the Parkway.
This is the famous Del-Bar.
The Del-Bar has been around since 1943. It is got a kind of a Frank Lloyd Wright feel to it. That's because it was designed by a protege of Frank Lloyd Wright. So we made it to the Del-Bar in Wisconsin Dells.
Finally got to the Del-Bar. It's a great supper club recommended by so many of the locals. They always say you have to go to the Del-Bar. So this is one of the heavyweight supper clubs in Wisconsin. So many people say this, so we're gonna give it a try and let you know what we think.
So we came hungry, and as usual, I'm sure we're gonna get a lot of food.
Thanks for being here. Traditional supper clubs always bring you a bread basket. And we're gonna sample their bread basket.
So we're getting to try something special. Normally this cheese and this garlic bread is only available at the bar, but our server is so sweet, she said we have to try this. So 2 different kinds of cheeses, and this bread is so garlicky and so wonderful. We aren't gonna eat our dinner. This is so good. So the cheese curds is another one of those things that they're known for. They are lightly breaded, good old-fashioned Wisconsin cheese curds, and they come with 3 different dipping sauces. Food coma, for sure.
This place is huge. There's just all these lovely little nooks.
This spinach salad is incredible. But the bacon, hot bacon dressing, I'm trying to get through a tomato and I can't do it.
This salad is so good. There is a tang to the vinaigrette and it makes it phenomenal. Everything is so fresh. They get a lot of their produce is all local, and you can tell.
We ordered the pan-fried walleye. Highly recommended. It's hot and perfect.
So they are known for both their hash browns and their mashed potatoes. And they're so kind. They gave us both. We are approaching food coma right now. Mashed potatoes. Oh my gosh. They also recommended, they gave us this gravy that normally goes on the chicken cordon bleu. So good. And these hash browns are just perfectly crisp. There's a lot of butter in them. Very good. You can't go wrong. Wow.
The Del-Bar in Wisconsin Dells has been terrific, far exceeding all of our expectations. Number one, the food is fantastic.
The walleye has this light breading on it with a herb something in it, and it is phenomenal. It is so good. I'm not a fish person, and I am loving it.
And number two, our server, Jesse, the service here has just been incredible.
The servers are all like family and just working together like a great team. You can tell they've worked together for years, and it really comes through. So there's at least 2 different bars in here.
This is the world famous Del-Bar in Wisconsin Dells. They are very famous for their old fashioned. Maybe someone will give us the free recipe for the old fashioned. We just got the secret formula for their world famous brandy old fashioned, and it is 6 drops of bitters goes into the brandy.
6.25.
We actually got 6.25 drops, and this is it. This is the bar at the Del-Bar. A lot of happy people here. I just been crumbed. The Del-Bar, Wisconsin Dells. What a great place to celebrate food.
The food here is fantastic. It's a first-class operation, and whether you're here celebrating a special event or you just want to hang out, it is a great place to spend an evening.
This is the flourless chocolate cake. It's all about the food at the Del-Bar, and it is all about fantastic.
So everything is fresh and homemade here, even the whipping cream. This is a key lime pie, and by happy accident, they found out that it tastes really good with a raspberry sauce. It is so tart and so fantastic. I hope there's no calories.
I made fun of the crumbing, so our server, who's fantastic, Jesse, brought me a crumber. Or if you know the technical name of this, please put it in the comments. But I'm gonna give you a demonstration about how to crumb.
Ishnala versus Del-Bar. These are fantastic supper clubs here in the heart of Wisconsin.
If you're looking for great food and great service, Del-Bar is incredible.
And if you're looking for the beautiful scenery and the relaxing experience down by the lake, Ishnala is the place to check out.
You can't go wrong with either of these 2 heavyweight supper clubs in Wisconsin.
And now we are the 2 heavyweights in Wisconsin. We are stuffed, and our tip, wear stretchy pants.